Apparently you can make slime without glue, so I'm gonna test 4 recipes to see if you really can. The first one we have is adding shampoo and salt together. Supposedly you just mix the two together and it forms the slime after 2 hours in the fridge, and this is what I got. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this recipe. Next we're gonna be testing dish soap and corn flour. Apparently when you mix this together it forms a butter slime texture, and as I mixed it, it kind of did. It was like a soft dough and a great slime substitute. Next we're using xanthan gum and shower gel. I mixed these two together in a bowl and let it sit for 2 days, and I was so impressed with the result. It was kind of like a slime shower gel. This one definitely worked. It wasn't like proper slime, but it was still pretty cool. And finally we made edible slime. For this we just mixed some mini marshmallows and microwaved them. I added some pink food dye and then added a little bit of oil and some cornstarch. And once this was mixed it formed a slime. Which one of these was your favorite, and do these really count as slime?